Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Miss Ruth, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple homemade pancake which you can enjoy with friends, loved ones and family. So let's get started. So these are ingredients. We have egg, flour, milk, sugar, nutmeg. These are optionals. We have lemon zest, baking soda, butter. Then we have vanilla essence and salt. So I'm going to be mixing my ingredients, and in my case I am using a mixing bowl. So I'm going to be mixing the solids before the liquids to make my mixing easier and prevent the contents from becoming lumpy. But you can use a blender as well, and in the case of a blender you'd have to mix the liquids before adding the solids, especially the flour, to prevent it from sticking to the blender. First of all, I pour my flour, add my sugar, my nutmeg, and my baking powder. I give it a stir. Not forgetting my salt. The salt, not to taste, but just a little of it. Then I can add my milk, and my eggs. I keep stirring. So I add my butter, not so much, but a little of it. Then stir together. So you keep adding your water in bits till you get the right texture you want. So I can now add my lemon zest to give it a nice flavor. It's optional anyway. And then my vanilla essence. So we are done with the mixing of our ingredients, and it's time to fry. We are frying on a very low heat so that we don't burn our pancakes. So our pancakes are ready, and they are looking very beautiful and attractive. Can be served with some chilled fruit juice like pineapple juice or orange pine. And in my next video, I'll be showing you how to prepare pineapple juice at home. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with loved ones and friends. And until my next upload, bye for now.